Hello, in this video we'll learn how to do linear regressions on the TI-84 Plus family. Start by pressing the Stat button. Choose number 1, Edit. If there's data in your list, scroll up, press Clear, press Enter. For our example, we'll look at the math teachers at JFK High School, comparing the age of the teachers to how many years they have in the classroom to see if there's a correlation. We will enter in the ages into list 1. 44, enter. 29, enter. 52, 40. 32, 25, 48, 36, 31, 39. Move over to L2 and now enter in the year's experience in the classroom. 22, enter. 7, enter. 29, 17, 10, 2, 16, 12, 9, 18. Make sure you have the same number of entries for list 1 and list 2. I recommend at this point pressing Y equals. Make sure you do not have any equations in Y1, Y2, and so on. Clear them out. Press second Y equals to access stat plot. Choose number 1. Turn plot 1 on by pressing Enter. Move down to Type and select the first one, which is a scatter plot. Let's have our X list be ages, which we put into list 1. Our Y list is years, which we put into L2. We can press Zoom, and the 9th zoom on this menu is Zoom Stat. So if you press number 9, you will now see your scatter plot for our data. To run a regression, press Stat, right arrow over to Calc, and arrow down to number 4, Linear Regression, AX plus B. When you select it, you'll get the Linear Regression wizard. We have our X list into L1, our Y list into L2. We did not use a frequency list. We want to store our regression equation into Y1. We can do that by pressing the green alpha key followed by the trace button and selecting Y1 from that menu. We down arrow and we select Calculate. We will now see our linear regression and our correlation coefficient R is 0.932. If this value does not appear, you can go to Mode and you can make sure that your stat diagnostics is turned on. You can rerun the regression and see the R value if it didn't appear the first time. Second mode is your quit. When you go to Y equals now, you will see your regression equation has been pasted into Y1. If we press Graph, we will see our scatter plot and the linear regression for this data.